Imagine this for a second. By the year 2030, AI could wipe out up to 800 million jobs worldwide. That's not a typo. 800 million. It's like erasing the entire population of Europe from the workforce. And here's the part no one likes to admit. It's already happening, right now. Maybe to someone you know, maybe to you next. So let me ask you, is your job one of them? And if it is, are you ready for what's coming? More importantly, have you thought about what kind of world we're stepping into when 1/3 of all work activities could just vanish? Because whether we're prepared or not, we're about to find out. Welcome to Inspiring Labs, where we break down the future before it breaks you. Let's dive in. Here's a cold, hard truth. AI isn't coming, it's here. It might not be perfect yet, might not replace every job overnight, but it's already transforming the world around us in ways most people aren't even noticing. You see it everywhere. AI writes ad copy. It generates news articles. It designs code, diagnoses diseases, creates music, makes art. It's doing the things we thought only we could do. And we used to tell ourselves, oh, it'll just handle the boring stuff, the repetitive tasks, the jobs nobody really wants. But that's not what's happening. Big corporations, they aren't stopping there. They're going after highly skilled, high-paying, white-collar jobs too.
Meta started to lay off 5% of its workforce.
Amazon could soon have more robots than humans working in its warehouses, working to automate tasks previously done by humans.
This week, Microsoft announcing it is laying off nearly 4% of its workforce as it tries to refocus more on AI.
Now you might be wondering, okay, but is it ready to replace me completely? Good question. And the honest answer is, not yet. But at the pace it's moving, that day isn't as far away as we'd like to think. 10 years ago, AI was this clunky lab experiment. Remember those robotic chatbots on customer service sites? Barely functional. Then, November 2022, OpenAI drops ChatGPT. And overnight, AI goes mainstream. Now, AI agents manage customer support. Text-to-video tools like Google Veo and Sora create cinema-quality visuals. AI drafts legal documents, writes marketing campaigns, generates code. And the scary part? We have no idea what tomorrow's AI might be capable of. And that's what makes this moment so exciting and so terrifying. But here's where it gets real. Not all jobs are equally vulnerable. The stuff AI can't replace, at least for now, isn't about your job title. It's about what makes you human. Skills like emotional intelligence, making complex decisions in unpredictable situations, negotiating tricky deals, resolving conflicts, creative, original thinking AI can't replicate. Leadership that actually earns trust and loyalty. Setting bold, strategic visions that no algorithm can predict. In short, the future belongs to those who are irreplaceably human. But here's a reality check no one's telling you. According to McKinsey, by 2030, 1/3 of work activities globally could be automated. So what happens to those people? Not everyone can pivot overnight into AI engineering or start a tech startup. When computers replaced typewriters, people adapted. Because back then, those machines still needed us. But AI isn't a better typewriter. It's doing the writing, the analyzing, in some cases, even the decision-making. And sure, there'll always be a top 20%, the leaders who create with AI, manage these systems, build new things. But what about the other 80%? Where do they fit in a world run by machines? The World Bank isn't optimistic. In places like India, they predict up to 85% of white-collar tech jobs could be wiped out. And when millions lose jobs, they also lose their income, their purpose, their identity. And it won't stop there. When people lose jobs, demand for goods drops. Businesses suffer. economies slow down, and economists fear we could trigger the one thing nobody wants: a deep, lasting recession. This isn't just about careers anymore. It's about society. We'll see more jobless, educated people than ever before. A growing wealth gap as AI owners and investors get richer. Rising economic anxiety. Mental health crises as people lose not just their incomes, but their sense of purpose. Unless we rethink how we regulate AI, how companies distribute opportunity, and whether we need universal basic income, we risk creating a future where a small elite controls everything, and the rest are left scrambling. But hey, I'm not here to sell you fear. I'm here because I believe AI will do extraordinary things for humanity. It'll cure diseases, solve problems we haven't even imagined. But pretending it isn't coming for your job, that's dangerous. The smart move isn't to fight it, it's to partner with it. To outlearn your old job, to build new skills AI can't touch, and to lead in this new AI-powered world. And maybe just as importantly, to help protect the people who won't be able to. So here's a question worth asking yourself tonight. What would you do if you lost your job to AI tomorrow? Not what should you do? What would you actually do? Think about it. And tell me in the comments. And if you found this valuable, smash that like button and subscribe to Inspiring Labs. We don't just hype the future, we get you ready for it.